Good morning, welcome back or welcome. Finally focusing on the EG hatch.
Came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
Spoon got the supplies, he already started. I don't know where we're at. Waiting for him to tell me where the f to start, but obviously I gotta change first, so. First things first, we gotta go to, what is it, Harbor Freight?
Tractor Supply.
Tractor Supply. I look like I'm ready to fit in there.
Fit right in.
Hey, you do.
Gotta grab MAF gas and wire wheels, right?
Yeah, you digging out some seam seals today?
Also gotta swing by my job because I forgot my mask.
Onward. Like that.
Snatched.
Acquired. You can tell I've grabbed this many times. Going to Harbor Freight.
Whoa, Grants.
Greatest thing ever. See, you get a whole pack for the same price of one at Tractor Supply.
That's crazy.
I've never been to a Harbor Freight. That's crazy.
Oh, this is so sick.
Look, you can keep your little violin in this drawer.
See?
I got it, guys. So what do you need me to do?
You got all the seam sealer around the tubs in the back, around the rear body panel. You got some rust to fix.
I'm ready to rumble. We'll be back after this is all done. Calling it a day for today, obviously. Progress so far from me. Spoon got a lot done himself. Hell yeah. Be back tomorrow. Day 2 of working on the EG.
Let's do it.
And as you guys know, Jordy is not helping me with this project because he's been doing his own thing.
World, while they do this, I'm doing this. I'm gonna play with fitment, go up and down a little bit on her, but really it's this that needs to be addressed. So we're gonna try and figure out that, because that's disgusting. A lot of people were giving me heat of, why'd you cut the tub? Well, it's easy to get the tie rods, and you don't take the wheels off. You can just crack them loose if you wanna raise them lower. It's really, really convenient. Definitely better. Let's do the other side, and then we'll figure it out and see if we like it. All right, Kai, what are your thoughts?
Looks a lot better.
Yeah, the other side's higher. I left it high so we can have two options.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, so moseying onto the other side, girl.
I like this side so far.
The front only, I didn't do the rear.
I like this side better.
Yeah, me too, but I don't.
Really? A lot of people in the comments were like, Jordy doesn't speak loud enough.
You know what?
And it's funny because you always tell me I don't speak loud enough, but they hear me loud and clear and they don't hear you.
Turn your ears on. That's all I gotta say. All right, so yeah, this side we just gotta bring up because this side is where we want it at. So we'll match them and then we're just good to go. And then we'll start messing with the rear and all that jazz, but that's more in depth. So we're doing the front first. Give me a break. Much better, so much better. Onto the rear, the hardest part. God damn it. Let's go grab our little spaceys. I think these are, no, these are the wrong ones. So we got to dig through the bin. We got some universals just to test fitment, make it nice and easy. So let's go throw these on and see how they work. Fitment wise, great. Tire wise, disgusting. It still looks so bad, I can't even fathom. So I'm gonna steal the wheels off of Jim's car just to test and see what they look like in the rear. because I'm pretty sure those are 5x100 also, and they match the front, so I get to see what they look like before I buy a pair. So I went and stole an 18 from DJ. I'm not too happy about it, but I think I'm gonna have to run 18 rear, 17 front to get it to sit and look how I want. It's not the end of the world, but I'm not excited because I like this 17 all around look, but if I gotta do it, I have to do it. I guess there's a reason why everyone else does it. Sucks, but it is what it is. It fits great, and I hate to admit it, but I think the internet is right, sadly. 17 in the front looks amazing, 17 in the rear looks like. I have figured it out. I didn't film the 18 on just because I hated it. I didn't want anyone to see it. It looked so bad. But I think I figured it out with the 17 finally. Yeah, it sits nice. I might raise the front a tiny bit or pull some camber out of the front, but the rear is okay. I wish it was a ½ inch lower in the rear, but it is what it is. I can't complain. 17s, it still works. It definitely was the tire. Day 2, I don't even know anymore. This is where we left off yesterday. Rear fitment, 235, but today, we got something nice. Every cool car has a cool wing. That's just how it goes. Porsche, cool ass wing. Jimmy's coupe, cool ass wings. Austin's car, decently cool wing. Another cool wing. The Z's, cool wing. The 15, pretty cool wing. Another cool wing. Jim's coupe, cool wing. I've been wanting to find a pretty cool wing. And I want something that I don't think anybody's really figured this out yet besides Ed. But I think it looks pretty damn cool. Tell me it's not like a mini Type X wing without the pedestals, but it's also drag wing. Realistically, I don't care what your guys' opinions are because I think it's cool, and I'm gonna leave it at that. If you think it's cool, put it in the comments. Maybe I'll tell you what it's off of. I probably won't. It is what it is. Let's clean it up today. I'm just gonna get rid of the brake light. I just want to black it out. I think the brake light looks stupid, so I'm not gonna utilize it. The little screws that hold the brake light in were so rusted, I ended up just having to grind them off. We're gonna scuff the brake light and spray it. And hopefully it matches pretty good. I don't see why it wouldn't. No more shiny parts. We got it all hung up. We're gonna use some vinyl fabric just because it's what we have. It's plastic, figure it's the same thing as a vinyl. See how it goes. Super light for the first coat. Let it dry, come back, repeat, rinse, wash, whatever you want to say. Cut the wire, put it back in our little spot. Getting the brake light out, since the 2 screws were stuck and we had to grind out the screws, they were studded in the wing. So now there's no threads, but I'm gonna riv nut it so we can just put the brake light back and not have to rig anything up, which would be super nice. So let's do that while paint is drying. All right, we gotta do a little drilling. Beautiful. Yes, okay, cool. Yeah, we split, whatever. It was already split. I don't care. It's got threads. Put the brake light back in. It's all that matters. Nobody is ever going to see it, and the brake light is never coming out again. Realistically, it does not matter one bit. She's dry. We're going to snip off this connector. We don't need that where we're going. Put this baby back in. All right. Much better. You don't even know that that's there now. Let's go put it on, see what it looks like. I think it looks pretty cool. If you like it, you like it. If not, you don't. That concludes my segment. Back to Kai.
I don't know if I quite explained what my part is doing right now. I'm currently taking off all the seam sealer off anywhere I see it. Seam sealer, I'm coming for you. progress so far. Wow. Got the cleanup crew. These freaking batteries keep dying on me. Gonna take a little lunch break and we'll be back. But here's the progress so far. Boy, was that a long ass lunch break. JK, I took a lunch and never came back. But here we are. The last day for me. For me. It's the last day for me. For now. Because I'll most likely be still working on this next week. I'm not going to bore you guys too much with me wire wheeling and time lapsing, all that jazz. But we moved from the back to the front now. Boom. To move. No, are you? Yeah. Where's Jordy when you need him? There he is. Jordy, give me a boom.
Don't do it, Jordy.
Oh, whatever. Pre-order is still live. Make sure you grab yourself a t-shirt. It's an automatic entry in the steering wheel giveaway. It ends in a week. Ending it off with this. I did a lot more on that side. Obviously, you guys can't see because it's all dusty. But you guys know the drill. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys next week. Jordy will not. He's got a BMX trip, so we'll see him in 2 weeks.
Officially been pimped. God, your headlights are on.
I'm cold.